Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Hamster Combat invite not working. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna open up Telegram, and then I'm gonna go to Hamster Combat, and then I'm gonna click on play. So for example, if you play this game and you cannot invite on Hamster Combat, so what you're gonna have to do is just delete Telegram and go to iOS App Store or Google Play Store, and make sure your Telegram is updated to the latest version. Sometimes it causes problems, so once you have found out that your Telegram is updated, you can also try using a VPN, and if you follow these steps, it should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video will be helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.